All right, everybody, welcome back to Yolen's Garage. Thought we'd celebrate Labor Day with a little parts truck thrash. All right, there she is fired up. Huh, imagine that. Driver and passenger door are ajar. Oh. Two-wheel drive. But, oh, no mirror.
Two-wheel drive? We're in two-wheel drive.
Let's check it. Oh yeah, leaf springs are broke.
Oh, I smell rubber. Woo-wee. Woo-hoo. So both leaf springs are broke.
Yep.
No doors.
No doors.
No seat belts.
Nope.
No radiator.
Nope. Oh, she's up to temp.
Passing cars.
That's right.
She's up to temp. That means it's time for tire annihilation.
Alrighty, this looks, let's get right here, blocking her view from Chip.
There we go. Drop her down into first. Single tire fire command. Try again. Oh, I think you can. I think you can.
Come on, it has no... Hold on a second.
Track lock.
Yeah, hold on. That's the problem. Take two here. Traction control off. Ready to go.
Traction control is on. I've got shrapnel all over me.
All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that live action. I'm a little new at that, but by damn, we had a hell of a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Tune in for the next episode. Maybe I'll do something wild and crazy.